Hello everyone and welcome to lot number 51 inside of Pyramid Park in Edgewater, Florida. This is a 55 plus community. This is a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. Has a very long carport. Stepping up here to the storage shed. Inside you have your washer and dryer. Plenty of storage. So take a step inside. Right here to the right is your first bedroom with double closets on each side. To the right is your first bath. This home does have brand new flooring throughout, LVP throughout the kitchen, living room, dining area. Brand new carpet inside both bedrooms. Right through here is your Florida room. Back here is your second bedroom. Closet right there, closet here, and your half bath. So come on down, check it out. It is lot number 51 in Pyramid Park in Edgewater, Florida.